of the earth. I am caring, ambitious, and willing to make a change. Right now we live in uncertain times, and it is important to follow the health guidelines and take care of each other and our environment. My advocacy is to set example of environmental protection through my voice, presence, and action. We only have one planet. Let's step together, reuse, reduce, rethink, recycle, and respect our planet.